Hello everyone, welcome back to Illinois Gardening. These are the seeds that we purchased from the stores. We got the tomatoes, the sweet pepper, summer squash, spinach, lettuce, and beets. Those are all organic. And here, on the non-organic, these are not organic, but they're not GMO seeds. So we have the okra, again like tomato, some brandy boy hybrid variety of tomato. We got the onion, again like another variety of onion, and some radish. And these are some hot peppers from India, seeds, and bottle gourd, and one of the greens that we love eating. Okay, and on this side is the marigold that we saw in one of the dollar store. We thought let's try this one, so we purchased that as well. So on the left hand side, all we have are the seeds that we purchased last year, and we have leftovers that we want to try this year. On the top we have the spinach, the garden beans, black beauty eggplants, cucumber, and the bush beans. And this is some wildflowers that we purchased from Wyoming when we went to the Yellowstone. And then on the middle we have the vegetables and the fruits that we purchased are bought from the grocery stores, and we harvested the seeds from them. So on the top you see the flat beans, that's a peas, Thai chili, eggplant, an Indian variety. This is a white pumpkin seeds, Indian bitter gourd, papayas, and the cantaloupe. And a papaya is a tropical tree, but I just want to try how it comes in this weather in the zone 5. And then on the right hand side we have the seeds that we have again harvested from the last year's gardening. On the top we have the tulsi, which is also basil. We have the cilantro, spinach, okra or lady's finger, and then we have pink flowers. I don't know the name, but we got some seeds collected from the flower bed that we had last year. And the cucumber, the same cucumber as you saw here, we've also harvested from a good ripened fruit. And then these are the yellow flowers that my wife liked so much, and we've collected for this year. Friend gave us this year for us to try. We have a purple basil, long beans, green chili, and Malabar spinach. So I will, part of 2021 gardening, I will try all these things. I will give you an update in my upcoming videos. This is the first time we are trying some of the vegetables here. There is no particular reason why we went for organic, other than we wanted to purchase everything organic, but whatever we could find organic we purchased them, but rest of the things were not organic. Most of the seeds that we've tried in the past, for example, we've tried okras, we've tried Roma tomatoes, we've tried long time back sweet peppers, spinach we've tried in the past. We've tried the hot pepper and the amarnath, a different variety of amarnath, squash, lettuce, beets, radish, the onions, and the bottle gourd. So these are some of the things that we're trying for the first time to attract more bees and repel any insects. The mails that we've received, and these days not too many people post all these things for paying the receipts or the bills. I reuse those mail envelopes to store the seeds for the following year. So that's one way of reusing some of these envelopes that we get through the mails.